Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do your manicure in a very easy way. So let's start. Every Sunday, one of my favorite moments is when I relax doing my manicure and changing the color for the week. This is the situation of my nails right now. Now I'm wearing a dark color and I'm going to change it for a more colorful polish that it's more appropriate for the transition of the season. So let's start. It is very easy and it takes less than 10 minutes. The first thing I do, I remove the polish I have. I use this polish remover. This is my favorite one and it works really well. Every Sunday I usually take care of my nails, so this is, let's say, a weekly ritual for me. A bit more. Now I'm done with the polish remover, so I'm going to wash my hands and prepare the nails for the rest of the steps. I'm going to wash my hands with the normal hand soap. Now I am going to exfoliate the hand skin with this product. I also use this product for the face because it is very gentle for the skin. This is also a brand from Colombia, so people from Colombia will know this brand because it is very popular over there. Now I'm going to exfoliate the hands. I moisturize the hands also with the pure aloe vera. I'm going to apply it now. Now I'm going to continue. Right now I'm using this file. Here you can follow the 7 steps which are written, but I don't usually follow them. I usually use step number 1, which is the one that helps me to shape my nail. For the moment I'm shaping the nails round. My nails are not very long, which helps for the weekly treatment and for the whole process. Now I'm going to continue. other one. I just file them very gently because as I do this ritual every week, I just have to maintain the nails and change the color depending on the season. Now I'm using cuticle oil. I use this thing to remove the extra skin. There's not much, because if you maintain your nails, this process is very easy. The cuticle oil. And start with the polish. Right now I'm using this brand, Boga. I love the polishes they have, and I especially like this kind of polish with gel effect. First of all, it is very important that you start with a beige polish, because this gives vitamins to the nail, and it helps that the nail doesn't turn yellow. It is a very, very important step. So let's start. I apply it very quickly. It is very easy. This dries very quickly. I think we can continue. Now I'm going to apply this color. I usually apply 2 layers. I'm going to continue with the other hand. Okay, I'm done. Now I'm going to apply the second layer in this hand. The final touch is missing. The secret and the final touch is to apply a top coat, because this makes the nails dry faster. And this gives you like a bright and a final touch that makes your nails really good. And I also apply 2 layers of this top coat. I know that when you go to a manicure spa, they usually apply 1, but this is my personal touch. And I prefer that the nails look a bit brighter. Okay. Okay, my nails are done. This is how they look like. I think they are perfect for the week, and I think The whole process was very easy. Now it is time for me to relax and wait till the nails get dry. Good night. See you next time. Bye bye.